Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another tutorial of Wikit Actions. So, as we discussed that we will upload exercise on Sundays, that means whatever you cover in the previous tutorial, you will practice on that project, right? So, I published these tutorial on Saturday, the part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. You have to watch all these tutorials because each tutorial has its own importance. Each tutorial have chunks of discussion about how to create assets, how to create app icon, how to create launcher screen, how to create main storyboard, which is your UI of application, and how to link IB action and IB outlet, that is in the part 5. So you have to watch these 5 tutorials and then you have to practice on this application that will be available on GitHub. The project name is ticket number, and so here is a GitHub ID of Wikit Actions, and I have uploaded a project of ticket number and you have to work on it. So the basic application is just to show random numbers that are given in your application in your project. I have created the assets and logo also. Let me show you. So these are the images and icons I have created in this project. What you have to do, you have to just open the main storyboard, create a label, create an image, a background and a button to show the random values of these numbers. How to do it? You have to watch the day 2 tutorials. All tutorials you have to watch to complete this application, right? If you fail to create it, try to watch it again and create it again. You will create by practicing on these tutorials, right? So what is the difference just to watch the tutorial and by completing another project of the same category? You will find out the difficulties, what are the difficulty you face when you are creating a project. So what you have to do, just go to the link which I will give you, or you can also type here in Safari GitHub/Wikit Actions. I will share the URL also. So this is the GitHub Wikit Actions, and then you have to click on the project which is ticket number, and after that you have to go to this button which is code and copy this URL, right? The window shows the option of cloning and shows clone. You have to copy this and go to Xcode again, go to source control and here clone. After clone, you have to just paste here the link and press clone. It will verify. After that, it will pop up the window where to store. I have created here the desktop 40 days challenge. Under 40 days challenge, you have to click the ticket number and then clone. When you clone, when the clone is finished, you will find this project like this. After cloning, you will find this window, and these are the assets which I have created, and these are the images I have created here. So what are you waiting for? Just clone this project and start developing your application, your very first application iOS development. So I will wait for your feedbacks on 40 days challenge day 3, that your commitment is required from your side to creating the exercise, create the project. You have to finish it so that we will step on or move on to another section of the iOS development. In next part of this tutorial, we will find out how to create the application for landscape mode and the portrait mode and with the same UI. So for that tutorial, you have to finish this application. So then we will move on to the another section of creating the application in portrait mode and as well in landscape mode. You have to just click on main storyboard, add a label, add an image, and add an image background, and then a button. To click on that particular button, you will show the numbers that are displaying over here: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, and so on. Launcher screen is already updated. You have to just work on this main storyboard and this view controller that I have covered in my previous tutorial, which is day 2 tutorials. I will wait for your feedback under the comment section. Hope you will love this tutorial. If you love this tutorial, give thumbs up to this tutorial, share it with your colleagues, with your friends. Also, do subscribe to this channel, because if you subscribe this channel, I will be the voice for others as well. I will be waiting for your feedback on my Facebook page as well as on our UKTechScience tutorial on our YouTube channel under the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe. We will see you on Thursday with another amazing tutorial of iOS development. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.